What is affiliate marketing and how does it work? Well, if you want to know what affiliate marketing is, or you want to learn what affiliate marketing is and how does affiliate marketing work, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to explain to you what exactly affiliate marketing is and how affiliate marketing works. My name is Khaleel. In this video, I'm going to explain to you what affiliate marketing is and how affiliate marketing works. Without further ado, let's get into it. Well, affiliate marketing is a business model whereby you as an affiliate, you're going to promote other people's or companies' products or services and commissions. Okay, so when you promote other people's or companies' products or services and generate sales, then you're going to earn commissions. You're going to make money while doing that. Okay, so that's actually how affiliate marketing works. That's what affiliate marketing is. You promote products or services of other companies or people, and then these people or company, they are going to pay you commission when you when they get sales through your marketing, through your affiliate marketing. Okay, and affiliate marketing has three components. One is the merchant or the seller or the retailer. Okay, that's the person or the company with that sells the product. That's one part of affiliate. And then the other two, and the number two is the affiliate network. Affiliate network is like a middleman that actually connects the product seller or the retailer or the merchant to the affiliate marketer. Okay, so that's like a middle affiliate network. Affiliate network, you know, there are several affiliate networks out there. Okay, and number three, I'm going to explain that in detail later. Okay, and the third one is actually the affiliate marketer, which is actually the person or affiliate marketer, or sometimes called the publisher. That's the person that promotes the products, okay, or services. That's affiliate marketer. Okay, so what you do if you want to become an affiliate marketer, then what you do is you go onto this affiliate network, onto these affiliate networks, and then register as an affiliate, and then search for product and start promoting them. There are different or several affiliate networks there. One of those affiliate networks is Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is actually a very good affiliate network to start with if you're looking to start affiliate marketing. Okay, you sign up on Amazon Associates and then sign up as an affiliate marketer and start promoting Amazon products. That's one network. There are other networks like Clickbank, which is a good one actually, but Clickbank is actually all the products you can promote on a Clickbank, they're actually digital products, unlike Amazon.com, which has physical products and sometimes also the digital ones. But Clickbank is basically a digital products. Okay, there's Clickbank, there's Digistar, Commission Junction, ShareAzole, many affiliate networks out there you can join. Okay, so just go out there, search for any affiliate network that you think is good for you, but it's better for you to start with Amazon Associate if you're starting, if you're looking to start affiliate marketing. Just definitely check out Amazon Associate. You can start promoting Amazon products and then start making money that way. When you promote any product as an affiliate, you can earn commissions anywhere. Some networks they will pay you up to like 10%, some 20, some 50, some even up to 60% of the purchase. Okay, so when you do that, then you are going to earn your commissions, and this commission different networks pay differently. Some will pay you directly to your PayPal account, some will issue you check, some will send through wire transfer, different payment methods actually. So definitely check out each network to see which one actually is best for you. Okay, so that's affiliate networks for you. But then you as an affiliate marketer, when you register as an affiliate marketer on any of this network, what you do when you promote this product is you can promote them on either social media, If you have a Facebook account, then you can promote these links. If you're on Instagram, you can use Instagram. Is actually a good way right now to promote products. Okay, you can do influencer marketing on Instagram and make money as an affiliate, or you can create a YouTube channel like this one and start selling your product or your affiliate products. You can do video reviews, comparisons, any other type of video you can do that to promote these products or services to make sales. Okay, so what you do is you create a channel and then start creating good content as an affiliate, and it's actually a good, because a lot of people are making millions of dollars as affiliates are using YouTube. So YouTube is actually a huge platform to make money with as an affiliate marketer. Okay, so these are actually the different ways you can promote your affiliate links. You can even do email marketing as an affiliate marketer. You can do email marketing, so your affiliate products using email marketing. You can use social media marketing. You can do YouTube. You can write blogs. If you have a blog, you can start writing the reviews of these affiliate products. Okay, put in your affiliate links in your blog post, and you can make money that way. So that's actually what affiliate marketing is. That's how affiliate marketing works. That's how you can sign up on as an affiliate marketer. Okay, just check out this some of these networks I mentioned, and you can check them out, register, and then start promoting your products. Okay, as an affiliate, when you sign up as an affiliate on any of these networks, you're going to get issued a unique affiliate link which you're going to share on any of these platforms I mentioned, either social media, YouTube, blog post. This unique link, when someone click on this link is going to redirect them to your affiliate product. Okay, and then this affiliate link, once they click it, is going to attach a cookie into their browser, and this cookie actually has a lifespan. Sometimes it depends on the network. Some, like Amazon Associate, the cookie lasts for just 24 hours. When someone clicks on Amazon, on your Amazon affiliate link, within 24 hours, anything they purchase on Amazon, you're going to earn a commission. Okay, but after 24 hours, the cookie is going to expire. Okay, but if they add a product to the cart, then the cookie will last for the next 60 days, 60 or 30 days. I'm not sure. Just you can search that on Google actually. Okay, so that's Amazon. Now other networks like Clickbank, the cookie lasts for 60 days. Okay, when someone clicks on your affiliate link, for the next 30 days, whatever they purchase on a Clickbank, you're going to earn commission within 30 days. That's actually a good one. That's a good one. Okay, but Digistore has a better one, because the cookie Digistore, their cookie actually lasts for 180 days. So when you promote the product, someone clicks on your affiliate link, and they don't have to buy that product that same day, okay, or that same month. Within the next 6 months, whatever they buy on Digistore, you're going to earn your commissions. So you see how easy this business model, this affiliate marketing is. Okay, it's actually a good one. It's actually a good model to start. If you're looking to make money on the internet right now, then affiliate marketing is actually a good model to start actually. Okay, and it's easy. You can start affiliate marketing with $0. Okay, you don't have to have a website to start affiliate marketing. You can start it with $0. What you do is you can start a YouTube channel. You can start a YouTube channel, create a YouTube channel for free. YouTube channel doesn't require any money to start. It doesn't require any capital. Okay, you start it free, start creating content, start promoting these affiliate links, and start making money. Or you can promote it on social media, on Instagram, on Facebook, any social media platform. You can actually promote your affiliate links, and then you can start making money that way. So affiliate marketing is easy to do, and it's easy to start. You can start it with zero capital. Okay, so that's affiliate marketing for you. And if maybe you're thinking maybe affiliate marketing might go away anytime soon, well, I don't think so, because affiliate marketing has been around for decades. Thousand Associates alone has been around for like 2 decades now. So affiliate marketing is here to stay. So definitely check out these businesses. You can start with Amazon Associates, you can start with Clickbank, Digistore, Commission Junction, Sharela, any affiliate program, affiliate network, you can just start with them and you can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. So there you have it. My name is Khaleel. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.